to lay out our tin and cut it into the circles that I have here. First of all, I love taking the tops, okay? So I'm going to take a rough top and I'm going to take my tin snips. Here I'm going to cut off the portion that I don't want in the top, which is the sides, which actually could be pretty. But since we want a solid circle, I'm just taking the scissors and cutting around the portion of the serrated edge where it's been with the can opener. Now let me just warn you here, it's best to wear gloves. I am not being a very good artist here. I should have my gloves on because tin can be very, very sharp. This tin here could really cut me, okay? So we are going to file it afterward. But in the meantime, when you cut the circles, as I've cut all of these, be very careful when you're going around with the tin snips because it is very, very sharp and very wise to wear gloves. You can get your gloves at any hardware store, garden store, even the grocery store. Just get gloves. Thank you.